Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science Learner. Here circular we got from the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. This circular is about the timetable. First we will see the fees notification is given and that is released on 9th December 2021, and this fee notification is about the undergraduate BAMS, BHMS, BUMS examination during the February 2022. So here BAMS all is scheme first, second and third year, BHMS revised scheme fifth first year, BUMS all scheme first, second and third year. Fee notification is this. Okay. Next is theory examination will commence from the 22nd February 2022. So date of issue of application form हम किस दिन भर सकते हैं तो 15/12/2021. Second point is given here, payment of the examination fees by the student and date of payment of the examination fees without fine. Yani without fine, student can fill the examination fees. The date will start from the 16th December 2021 to 17th January 2022. And next point is given here, date with the fine of rupees 100 is from 18th January 2022 to 24th January 2022. Date with the fine of rupees 200 is from 25th 1 2022 to 31st 1 2022. Third point is written, fee paid by the student to the transfer to the university. Last date without fine is 18/1/2022. Last date with a fine of rupees 100 is 25/1/2022. Last date with a fine of rupees 200 is date is given 1st February 2022. The fourth point is given, last date for the submission of the filled application form to the university is written here 5th February 2022. Next column is given about the examination fees structure. Kitta examination fees is there. Okay. So first is examination application form fees is of rupees 200. Marks card fees is rupees 300. BAMS, BUMS and BHMS rupees 300 per paper. Provisional degree certificate rupees 600. Convocation fees Indian national rupees 2000 and foreign national rupees 4000. And next is written, note is written, first year BAMS, BHMS, BUMS examination will be for the student admitted in the academic year 2021 to 22. Next here about the internal examination is written, and this is for the college and college this those who are handling this, they has to follow these things. Next, what is important given here, that is the about the timetable. Revised timetable for the first year BHMS revised scheme fifth examination of January February 2022. So exam will start from 22nd February 2022 and end on 5th March 2022. And here given practical exam will start from 7th March 2022. Next timetable is for the professional BUMS revised scheme third examination of January February 2022. Application to the student admitted during the academic year 2006 to 2007 onwards, and application to the student admitted during the academic year 2007 and 8 onwards, revised scheme third. So here date is given, timetable date is given, 20 exam will start from the 22nd February 2022 and end on 14th March 2022, and practical exam will be from 15th March 2022. Next is timetable for the second professional BUMS revised scheme third examination of January February 2022, revised scheme third. And here this is applicable to the student admitted during the academic year 2007 to 2008 onwards. So exam will be starts from the 23rd February 2022 and end on 19th March 2022, and practical exam will be from 21st March 2022. Next timetable for the third professional BUMS examination of the January February 2022 revised scheme third. Exam will be start from the 22nd February 2022 and end on 18th March 2022. Practical exam will be from the 19th March 2022. Next timetable for the first professional BUMS revised scheme 4th and revised scheme 5th examination of the January February 2022 2016 to 2017 batch onwards, and exam will be start from the 22nd February 2022 and end on 8th March 2022, and practical examination will be from the 9th March 2022. Next timetable for the second professional BUMS revised scheme 4th revised scheme 5th examination of the January February 2022. So starting date of exam is 23rd February 2022 and end date is 9th March 2022, and exam will be from the 10th March 2022. Next is given about the timetable for the third professional BUMS revised scheme 5th revised scheme 4th and 5th examination of the January February 2022. So their exams also will be start from 22nd February 2022 and end on 10th March 2022, and tentative practical examination is written here 11th March 2022. So with this is the information about the timetable of the BUMS. And about the PCI, Pharmacy Council of India has not given any update, no new news, no new update we got from the PCI. So as soon as I will get, I will upload that also. Thank you for joining me. Thank you.